So, you want to become the captain of a country, but America was already taken, so now you're just calling yourself Captain Canada. Hey guys, I'm TutsByKai. I'm Kai, and today we're back once again. Take a look at how I made this recreation of the Minecraft pumpkin pie. That's what I'm looking for. Dude, I forgot the word for pie. What's wrong with me? Anyway, I hope you guys are having a good day. It has been way too hot recently, so I figured I'd do one of these cool little remakes that I enjoy doing. I actually really like remaking Minecraft pixel art. I don't know why specifically Minecraft foods is like the thing I enjoy making the most, but I think it's because I've always loved Minecraft. Minecraft's a great game, one of my favorite games actually. But I just some of the sprites, some of the pixel art sprites, especially the food, always just upset me, and I don't like a lot of them. And this one, the pumpkin pie one's really one of the ones I always disliked because the palettes. This is the palette that I use for my pumpkin pie, right? This is the colors here, and then this is the palette for the pumpkin pie of Minecraft, the default pumpkin pie. And a lot of the colors are just really weird. Like there's a weird, if you look at the top of the OG pumpkin pie, it's like weirdish pink, like barf color, and then the yellow at the bottom is like really weird. It just looks strange. I don't know. It just looks very unappetizing, I feel like. So I like making the remakes for the pixel art foods. So today we're doing this one, and I decided to change it from a whole, like, pumpkin pie, like, entire pie, because, like, let's face it, you know what I mean? If you're in Minecraft, like, let's do a little bit of role-playing here, okay? Let's say you're Steve, right, and you're making some pumpkin pie, you just crafted it up, right? Got your sugar, got your eggs, you know what I mean? And then you have an inventory, and you place a whole pie in your inventory. Let's be honest here, you know what I mean? You're already carrying a lot of stuff. You know, you got some shulker boxes, you know, you got some chests, you got a bunch of cobblestone, you have random rocks in your pockets. You know, you don't need to be carrying an entire pie at the same time. That's a little crazy. So I'm trying to knock it down a little bit, you know what I mean? Now you just hold on to a single slice of pie. I think that makes a little bit more sense, you know what I mean? It makes a little bit more sense. Yeah. Also, for the amount that pumpkin pie fills you up in the game, I don't think it would be the amount of an entire slice of pie. So, I mean, an entire pie. It's like closer to just a slice of pie. So I feel like that's smarter to do. But anyway, talking about my actual sprite for the first time in this entire video, you can see I tried to mainly focus on the crust. I really wanted to make sure there was a crust, because there's not really a crust in the OG, like that's super definitive and able to be seen like instantly. I wanted the shape to be instantly able to identify. I wanted there to be a crust, and I really wanted to make sure that it looked like it had nice edges to it. I really wanted those sharp, nice edges that just look like pie. I wanted to have a center, a crust, a top, an edge. I wanted to have everything that it was supposed to have, and I also really wanted to play around with the line arts, the line art. And I wanted to give it a nice color. My main focus was to make it look more appetizing and a lot softer, because the original just doesn't look very appetizing. It looks like a cheese wheel, like a block of cheese or something. So I really just wanted to make it look more appetizing. That was my idea, and just to kind of maybe make the colors a bit nicer, because the other ones look very weirdly desaturated and just unappealing, I feel like, to eat. So hope you guys enjoyed it. That's that one. I'll be doing more Minecraft pixel art foods. So let me know what you want to see down below. But until then, bye bye.